Welcome to this week's Cooking at Riegelmann's. Today we are in the Thermidor kitchen. I'm joined by executive pastry chef Chuck, and he's from Snoqualmie Casino. And today we are going to make some what?
A candied apple cannoli.
Okay, so you were telling me a little about, you made the cannolis ahead of time.
I did.
And we're going to put it all together and show you how easy it is.
Right.
How do we start?
Right. So we want to go ahead and start with some of the caramelized apple and fennel compote. So I've started with a hot pan and sprinkled some granulated sugar in it. And when that caramelizes, you add your chopped apple and your chopped fennel, and then you reduce the heat to low and let it simmer until it's reduced and nice and caramelized.
Excellent, and that's going to go underneath our cannoli.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah.
And each one of these things, the recipes at our site, you gave that to us, so viewers can find it at cookingatRiegelmanns.com.
Nice. And then we're going to fill up the cannoli.
And this is a whipped cream that you made?
So this is a cinnamon cayenne, fennel and orange mascarpone whip.
Yum.
Right. So we're going to go ahead and dip it in the fennel pollen.
And then what do we got here? Caramel?
So this is a spice cider caramel. Apple cider.
That smells good.
Yeah, so
and we're going to drizzle for looks.
Right.
And then what do we got here last?
We have the brown butter salted pecans. Nice.
And we're going to decorate with that also, just a little.
Yep. Nice.
Wow.
A little powdered sugar.
Oh, we got a little powdered sugar.
Yeah.
Well, that looks beautiful. That was easy. We're going to let somebody try this and we'll be right back.
Would you guys like to sample a cannoli dessert? It'll go great with your shake.
Try it?
Yeah, try it. Let us know what you think.
Sweet, cool.
It's grubbin', right?
It's so good.
It's so good.
Another success, Chuck.
Nice.
You can find this recipe and many others at cookingatRiegelmanns.com. Thank you for joining us from Riegelmann's in downtown Gresham in the Thermidor kitchen. We'll see you next week.
Cooking at Riegelmann's is brought to you by Riegelmann's Appliance in downtown Gresham.